Deactivating your Mint Mobile eSIM unassigns it from your account, stopping service and billing. This is essential when switching devices, carriers, or if your device is lost or stolen to prevent unauthorized use. Unlike physical SIMs, eSIM deactivation is done digitally, offering a quick and secure way to manage your Mint Mobile plan. Remember to back up your contacts, photos, and other important data to iCloud or Google Drive before starting. Failure to deactivate properly can lead to lingering connections and potential security risks. There are two parts to deactivating your eSIM: unassigning it from your Mint Mobile account and removing it from your device. First, log into the Mint Mobile app or website. Navigate to Account greater than SIM Management and select the eSIM you wish to deactivate. Choose Deactivate or Unassign and confirm. Next, remove the eSIM profile from your device. On iOS, go to Settings greater than Cellular greater than eSIM greater than Remove Plan. On Android, Settings greater than Network and Internet greater than SIMs greater than Deactivate. Wait for confirmation, usually instant, then restart your device. Monitor your account for 24 to 48 hours post-deactivation to ensure no unexpected charges occur. If issues arise, contact Mint Mobile support immediately.